Alright, now it is time to talk about error handlings in Python. Now the first thing, there is something called the input function in Python, which is like this. Input, open the brackets, inside it put the prompt message. So please enter a value. Or let's do this. And then we can print this value. Okay, but actually let's store that inside a function, which is inside a variable, and let's print the x like this. So you can see this will receive an integer value, or actually this is if you notice here, it is a string value actually, but we will print it out. Okay, so let's run this command. the main.py, which is the Python. So please enter a value. I will enter hello. And you can see now it is hello, has been printed. Okay, but by the way, you can put, to be more elegant actually, you can put colon here with a space. And let's try again. So yeah, you can see now it is more elegant. Please enter a value. And I will put lol or whatever. Okay, so this is it. Okay, good. So far so good. Now let's return here, and this time let's put another value. So 12. Yeah, it will give us 12. Again, what if I type colon here? So a double quotation. Yeah, everything is working correctly. Now this time, what if I used the integer value? Okay, so I want this value to be entered as an integer. Okay, so I'm using the integer converter function. So anything we enter here must be integer, or if not integer, I will convert it. Okay, so let's run this and see. Enter a value. If I typed a, you can see that it is wrong. Why? Because invalid literal for int with base 10 a. But if I run that, and if I run 10, yeah, 10 is acceptable because this is an integer. But if I run or put any string value or any value rather than int, it will show us this error. Okay, by the way, if I type 10.5, it will give us error as well, because this is a float value. The value must be integer only. Okay, so far so good. Now how to do such a thing without erroring, without putting these errors? So we want the error to be handled. Okay, we don't need to print out there are error. This is not elegant. We need an elegant solution. How to do that? We will use the try except, which is the error handling in Python. So how to do that? By using try what? Try these. Okay, now if there are errors or something, except. So as you can see, these are inside the try indentation. So except and double quotation and colon here. If there are error, let's print, for example, oh no, there is an error. Okay, anything. This is just arbitrary example. Okay, so if I try this again, when I enter 10 or any integer value, it works fine. Okay, so let's clear the screen and let's try enter high, for example. Yeah, you can see now it is, oh no, there is an error. Okay, so it handled the error with elegant way. So if there are error here, not like before it will give us what is the error, and actually this is bad. No, this time if we face any error, actually it will print this statement, or it will do these things inside the except. So for example, your value that has been entered is negative. You can, inside the except, you can put it or use the absolute function, the abs, and convert it to something positive, and then you can assign it to the value you want. Okay, well actually it has a lot of use cases. You can read about it if you are interested. Actually, if you open your browser and you go or typed Python try except, then you can go to the w3schools.com, and here you can see that there are a lot of examples, and not just try except. There are another format, which is you can put or raise the name error and other errors. Actually, you can see So try print x except name error, okay? And print, and then finally except this, okay? So actually there are other formats like the using the else as well. So you can see try these, print hello except something else, and we have the finally, and here you can see that it will be raised, as you can see try except finally. So this will try the except after it is finished, and you can see there are a lot of examples here. All right, if you are interested to have or to learn more about it, okay? But anyway, it's not that big deal to know everything, but just know that there are other format and other use cases. You can read more about it, but for now, keep in your mind, this is the way to handle the errors in Python. Thanks for watching.